get that baby.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley, or you guys call me Pretty Shay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, don't forget to hit that bell, ding, ding, ding. So when you guys hit that bell, when I post my videos, you guys will be up to date with it. You feel me? All right, so I'm going to tell you guys 10 things to do, at least 10 things, 5 to 10 things to do on Valentine's Day if you're single, okay? So make sure you guys write these things down. This is for all the single women out there, or single men. It's for everybody, okay? I want to, tell you 10 things you guys should do on Valentine's Day, especially if you're single and you want to feel good about yourself, you want to feel confident, you don't want to be lonely on Valentine's Day, or going on Instagram, on Snapchat, watching people's stories, then, put up a flaunt in social media, like, oh, he gave me this, oh, she gave me that, all these name brands and rose petals and all that bull crap. You guys don't want to be, be like, oh, that could have been me. No. This is what you're going to do on Valentine's Day, okay? And I'm going to tell you 10 things on what to do to make yourself feel better on Valentine's Day, okay? So let's get right into this video. Number one thing you should do on Valentine's Day if you're single is to go out for drinks. Yes, guys, go out for drinks, especially women. You guys can go out for drinks. You guys could bring at least 1 or 2 of your single friends with you, just so you can be safe. You want to be out alone by yourself, especially if you're going out for a drink, like at a bar, because a lot of crazy people that's in the streets. But still, bring at least 1 or 2 friends, to feel good and drink and just talk about the day, talk about your goals, your career, things you want to do everyday life. Just, talk about those things at the bar over a drink. Get some good cocktails, drink some tequila, but make sure you guys drink safely and responsibly, because there's a lot of crazy people out there that prey on single women on Valentine's Day. Be watching these crazy crimes, so just be careful when you go on a date. When you go out, to get something to drink at the bar or whatnot. Just drink responsibly. Okay, so that's the first step. Go out for a drink, feel good, get a little tipsy. Fellas, you guys do this all the time. You guys always go out, for a drink all the time, watching the sports, basketball, football. You guys been doing that. It's just for the ladies. If you want to look good and feel good about yourself, dress cute, not too dressy, just dress casual and comfortable, because after the drinks you're gonna get a little tipsy. You don't want to walk out the restaurant with your heels and your feet hurting. No, just drink a little bit, not too much, but still look cute and feel sexy about yourself. Bring 1 or 2 friends, and and just enjoy the night. 2, make reservations for yourself, okay? You don't have to be a couple to make, reservations to go out to eat. You can make a reservation just by yourself solo. I've done it all the time. I don't make reservation. I just go out to eat most of the time. If I'm not with my cousins or my sister, if I just want to be alone and spend some alone time for me, I just go out to, to some dinner, some restaurants, just to eat some good food or whatnot. You feel me? And plus, the good thing about it, it's Valentine's Day. You could drink all the wine to yourself. You don't have to share your appetizers. You don't have to split a bill. You don't have to deal with like a corny date that you don't want to talk to for the day, for the night. But yeah, just make reservations, eat good, eat all the bread, or you can eat whatever you at, buffet or whatnot, restaurant you chose, to eat at. Just book a reservation and, feel full, and not too full, but eat good and relax good and feel good about yourself, okay? It's Valentine's Day. And also, if you want, you can also, instead of going out to eat, just stay home and just order some food, or just buy some food at the grocery store and just cook your little meal, like nice pasta, some garlic bread, pop a little wine or 2, you feel me? Get some cheap wine at Walmart or Winn-Dixie, or if you want to just eat some nice, cute little candies from Family Dollar that's always on sale, and Walmart, like these chocolate heart Reese's. I love Reese's Valentine's Day type of chocolate Reese's. Those Reese's taste so. It's the same thing. I just like the shape of the the heart and whatnot. It's the same chocolate, but you can do that. Eat some wine. I say eat some wine. Drink some wine. Eat some chocolate. Make your own dinner, or just take yourself out to eat. Number 3, you guys can host a single only dinner night with your single friends. It could be like a potluck, invite everybody to your house, all the single women, play some, Valentine card game or whatnot, like, ask like questions for all the single people, not the married people, just all for the single people, Step number 4. This is my favorite one. Of course, you got to pamper yourself. It's Valentine's Day. Who doesn't want to pamper themselves? Like run, a hot bubble bath and make sure the water's real hot. Put some rose petal. You almost got to put no rose petal, girl. Just put hot water and some good candles around. And I'm going to recommend you guys some good candles Let me show y'all these 2 candles that I really love. This is from DW Homes, okay? This is all for the single people or couples or whatever situation you in. Get some candles, put it around, you know, the tub, pamper yourself, do a lot of self-care. Self-care is the #1 thing that I really love to do, especially in some of my alone time. It don't really have to be Valentine's Day. It could be any other day you want to feel good about yourself, feel a little confidence or feel more relaxed, you know. Lit it up. This is my favorite one. This is XOXO. This is the Valentine's Day candle that they got right now. You can get it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Well, I got this for TJ Maxx for $3.99. This one is the Be Mine candle. It's hand pour for both of these. Also $3.99. This one smells so good. You just lit it up, place it around the tub. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm about to lit this up tomorrow after I get off work. You know, I work tomorrow on Valentine's Day, unfortunately, but you know me. I'm always pampering myself. You feel me? Your girl gotta smell good. Your girl gotta look and feel good. You feel me? But yes, pamper yourself. Do some skincare routine, nighttime routine, a face mask. Do a little quick little facial to yourself. You know, put the steamer on, open them pores, massage your skin, put some body oil, and just lay back and relax and just enjoy the night. #5, y'all. Hold on, because I had to button my my rumper because I see the way my breast is about to pop out. No, we is not about to do that. Anyway, step #5. If you guys single, just go to movies. You know, go to movies during like the afternoon. Because if you go at nighttime, I don't know if you guys have like a little bit of PTSD. If you see other couples going out, and you're gonna feel a little bit sad and like, oh, I wish I was out with with somebody. No, if you don't want to see that, just go around the afternoon time. You know, most of the time, all these Valentine's Day couples always want to go at night, so you don't want to see all that. Just go in the afternoon where there's not too many people. You can get the seat all the way to the back and the top. You know, all the couples all like to get all the seats in the back. You know, they be doing the wrong stuff they ain't supposed to be doing back there. You feel me? I ain't gonna say too much, but yeah, so go in the afternoon, get all the seats in the back and just put your feet up and just eat popcorn and watch like comedy. Don't watch like romance movie because you're gonna be in your feelings and whatnot. Like, you don't want that time to be doing all that. No, just watch some comedy so you can laugh, so you can feel like, damn, like I'm finally out the house. I feel good. I'm having a good time. I'm laughing. You don't need no man to take to go to the movies. I went to the movie plenty of time by myself. I went to the movie by myself twice. It was good. I ain't have to worry about nobody. You know, I felt, relaxed. I wasn't alone. I ate good chocolate, some candies, snuck some food inside the theater. You feel me? Don't do that, but you can sneak some food inside the theater, some snacks or whatnot. Yeah, just go to the movies and just, don't worry about nobody else. Don't worry about nothing else. Just so you can feel good. And watch a comedy movie or action movie, not too much romance. Or you can watch drama movie too, just because, be in the drama in the movie. #6, of course, stay home. Order some food from Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash. Usually around the holidays like Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, Christmas, I usually be getting like, discount codes, like $5 off your order if you spend $15 or more. You could get like $5 off like your delivery fees. Them things be expensive as hell. I stopped ordering from, DoorDash. I use it once in a while. Anyways, so yeah, if you're single and you want to go out, you don't want to spend too much money, stay home and just order some food and then watch your shows, your series from Netflix, Hulu, BT Plus. BT stays showing Baby Boy over and over and over again. And Friday after next and next Friday, you can watch, BT Plus, or if you want to laugh, watch some Martin or Jamie Foxx or the Wayans brother like I do. I love the Martin. He be funny as hell, you feel me? Or binge watch some Good Times. If you like those classic shows like Good Time, Sanford and Son, like me, I like to watch Sanford and Son and Good Time. Those are my favorite two 70s classic shows, TV shows, because I really like them. They're, anyways, just if you guys want to just do that, to stay home and watch your Netflix, watch all that good stuff, you feel me? Or if you want to go on YouTube and just watch your favorite YouTuber, it could be me, appreciate your favorite YouTuber. If you guys want to stay home, just go on YouTube and just watch my videos all day, It's Valentine's Day. You single, you just want to laugh and, just watch me. I'm a trip, y'all. But yeah, to stay home and don't spend money and just order out to eat. Feel me? Not out to eat. Just order food and just eat at the crib. You get what I'm trying to say. Step #7, of course, order stuff for yourself. You could gift yourself some gifts, feel good, go on Amazon, order some order that coffee maker that you always wanted to get and to make iced coffee in the morning. Order that air fryer you wanted to get, so you can feel good for yourself. So you can feel like, damn, I gifted myself some good stuff that I always wanted, you know? It's like when you order a lot of stuff, you see packages from your house. It's like a gift to yourself. So you could do that on Valentine's Day. You could order some flowers if you want, some roses, or order some nice Valentine's Day slippers or sleeping wear. Like, just gift yourself some products. Just order stuff from what? Let me see. You can order stuff from Bath & Body Works, or you could just go to the store and buy yourself some candles. That's what makes me feel good about myself, especially on Valentine. I love buying candles. I like the smell, I like the aroma that I put around the room. I love the scents. I like the different type of names they have, like the DW. They have different types of candle names, and they smell so good. So just buy yourself some stuff, or just go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington. That's why those are the stores that I really like to shop at, because I'm always getting candles, and I need to stop buying so much candles. And or just buy whatever, redecorate your room, or redecorate your bathroom. Buy some stuff for your bathroom. Buy some shower curtains, some, you know, bathroom essentials, some hand wash, or whatever you guys, you know, want to get for yourself. Just order some good things and just give yourself some good stuff for Valentine, and you'll feel so much better, so good about yourself, especially on Valentine's Day. And you single too, girl, you don't need no man to buy you nothing. Just buy yourself some good stuff, okay? Nobody got time for that. Nobody got time for that. Buy yourself some good stuff. Step number 8, book a getaway. You know, if you guys don't want to feel like you stuck in, you know, a small place, you don't want to feel like you want to be in your city, just book a getaway. Take a trip to Beanie, Bahamas, or be a tourist in your own city. You know, be a tourist in your own city. Book a hotel, you know, get away for a while, for a couple of hours or a day or a weekend. You don't really need a date to really book a getaway. You can do it like solo trip. You know, act like you in another state or another island or whatnot. Just book a hotel, you know. Just go to their pool, relax for the day, and get a spa, you know, like another self-care treatment, get a spa, or just go on the beach. You know, I'm from Miami, Florida, so I could easily do that all the time. You know, book a hotel or Airbnb, Fort Lauderdale, Miami Beach, South Beach, Hollandale, Sunny Isles. I could just book a hotel and just go to the beach and relax. That's the thing that I like to do. I like to be alone most of the time. I like to just sit in the sun and just relax, or at the, you know, the little lounging chair at the pool, just relax and just feel good about myself. Like, damn, like this, I could do this all the time. Like, I don't really have to do this just for Valentine's Day. I could just book a trip whenever I feel like it. So yeah, you guys could do that. Do a little getaway. Or if you guys want to leave your state, just go to another, you know, island. If you guys want to go to Jamaica, go to Haiti or something for the weekend, take a solo trip. You ain't got to worry about your friends, a girl trip, people with drama, all that other stuff. Just book your own little trip and just enjoy it. Enjoy it for the day, enjoy it for the weekend. It almost got to be for Valentine. Self-care, self-love is the best thing, okay? You don't got to be for Valentine's Day. You could do this throughout the year. And yeah, you don't really need a date for all that. Just go take a date, take a trip, and just enjoy it. Step number 9. I don't know how to speak, y'all. Step number 9, just go to the beach, okay? Go to the beach. Go on a daytime or the afternoon. Or if you like to go at the nighttime, which is the best. I love going to the beach at night. Nobody can see you. It's dark. The wind is blowing. Just make sure your ass don't get pulled into the water. Come, don't wind be waving them damn waters. Them waves be coming in fast, like real fast. You know, like don't go into the water and drown. Just stay your ass to the back in the sand. But yeah, just go to the beach and just relax. Put your feet up. Like put the beach towel on the floor. Get a tan. If you're black, you can get blacker, of course. Stay too much in the sun because you will get darker. Because I've been to the sun, laid out on the beach, my ass got real black. But anyway, just go to the beach and just enjoy it, you know. Just free your mind. Like, what that girl called? Tim? I don't know if that Jamaican artist or the African artist. Free your mind, whatever that song name. Just do that and just relax at the beach. Enjoy it. Don't think about nothing. Stress-free. I love doing that. That's the best thing to do, especially on Valentine's Day. Just think about the future, what you plan to do with your career, you know, like just lay and relax, okay? Stress-free. The beach is the best thing, not just for Valentine, just for the whole year or whenever you're free. Just do that. Like have some free time to yourself, you know, like get away from people that's like drama and you don't want to be around the drama. Just go to the beach and just chill. That's my advice. Single or not, just do that, okay? Last but not least, y'all, the number 10, tip number 10, the best one so far out of all the 9 tips, stay your ass home. Don't go nowhere. If you single, like I said, man or woman, stay your ass home. You ain't gotta do nothing. You just gotta go out. Stay home, save your money. Just stay your ass home, okay? Just don't go nowhere. If you feel like, damn, I wish I had somebody. I was like, damn, I wish, I had some money to go. Stay at home. Stay home. Don't do nothing. Just stay your ass home and relax, eat, take a shower, wash your uniform, wash your drawers, your panties, and get ready for work tomorrow. Stay your ass home, okay? That's the best advice, best tip throughout all the videos. Throughout all the tips. That's the number 1 tip. Stay your ass home. And that's it, guys. That's it for the video. That's like my 10 tips for single man or woman. I would say more for the woman. For the single woman, that's all the tips you guys should do on Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click on notification bell, ding, ding, ding. Comment down below if you guys think that was really funny. I was a little funny throughout the damn video. Comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. Hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. If you're single, just take those advice that I, gave y'all. If you're not single, just do whatever you want to do. It's up to you. These are like my tips, my advice that I just, wanted to share. And yeah, just thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.